Hi everyone, welcome to Fang Fang's Kitchen. I'm Fang Fang. Today I'm gonna teach you how to cook fried crayfish. First, let's wash the crayfish. Cut the head here. Then you can see here in the middle, we can twist a little bit and remove here. Cut the head. In the middle section, twist a little bit. Then remove here. Look at the crayfish. Even they don't have head, they are still alive. After the oil is hot, let's put the crayfish in it. Let's fry 1 minute. Then wait for 10 minutes. Okay, the crayfish is ready. Let's put some white sesame seed. Then it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.